Welcome to 876 Hampshire. This is a full floor, middle flat, available for rent, furnished. It works as a 3-bedroom with a formal dining room, or a 4-bedroom, a nice living room and kitchen. As the 3-bedroom, this is our living room, and as a 4-bedroom, this would be furnished as a bedroom. Either way, it's a great room. It's got the rounded window, nice light fixture, fireplace, china cabinet, built-in seat, and it looks over Hampshire Street, which is located very close to San Francisco General Hospital in the hot Intermission neighborhood. So great living room, or converted into a furnished bedroom. The second bedroom, the nice closet, this central hallway connects almost all the rooms. This is a storage closet here. You have a split bath. This is your water closet portion of the bath. There's a break in the hallway here. The third bedroom. Nice big closet. The other half of the bath is tiled and remodeled with pedestal sink, shower over tub. And then the formal dining room, which would act as a formal dining room as a 3-bedroom. Nice table. Or they would be furnished with the same furnishings we saw in the living room as a living room. And as a living room, it's perfect. It's right adjacent to the kitchen. The kitchen's been updated. Features a gas range with hood. Lots of maple cabinets, dishwasher, double sink with disposal, full-size refrigerator, and it opens up to a laundry room, which includes a washer and dryer. Through this door, you do get a little outdoor balcony space. It's here. And the 4th bedroom, which we'll take a look at now, opens up to that balcony. Bedroom number 4, surrounded by windows with the French doors to the balcony. And it is carpeted. All the rest have hardwood floors. If you're interested in leasing, 876 Hampshire, that's either a 3-bedroom with formal dining or a 4-bedroom, visit billharkins.com or call 415-305-5311. Have a great day. Thank you.